emerging world order also offers immense new opportunities for Pakistan. A dynamic foreign policy must capitalize on these opportunities and respond to the challenges. Our diplomats have a heavy responsibility to respond to these developments. They have to represent Pakistan in the best possible manner and to protect our interests at the international arena. I have full confidence in my ministry to safeguard and promote interests of Pakistan. We depend on you and the team of our finest officers at the ministry to be ready for the gigantic transformations taking place in our own region. They will help us realize our vision of a peaceful and economically prosperous neighborhood. This is a vision where Pakistan would realize its potential as a regional economic hub by developing regional trade, energy, and communication corridors. This is a vision where instead of foreign assistance, trade and investment would be the key drivers of our prosperity. Our diplomats must understand the opportunities and challenges afforded by evolving global landscape. Diplomacy and study of international relations is of critical importance for countries like Pakistan. Today's diplomats should not only be experts in international law and politics, but also in public and economic diplomacy. Their skill sets should not just be in the art of negotiations, public speaking, and report writing. They should also be prepared to navigate and respond to the onslaught of electronic and social media and the 24/7 cycle of breaking news. Ladies and gentlemen, it is heartening to see that the Foreign Service Academy has constantly endeavored to stay ahead of the learning curve. Training new entrants into the Foreign Service in disciplines such as public and economic diplomacy is a great contribution. Research in issues of global significance and learning of foreign languages and cultures will no doubt prepare these young minds for the challenges they face while entering the field of diplomacy. This academy is the alma mater of some outstanding diplomats who have represented Pakistan with great distinction and honor. I am confident that as Foreign Service Academy remains committed to producing diplomats who are